Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer chats from WhatsApp to another phone. First, you have to open WhatsApp and then click on the three dots up here. Go to Settings, go to Chats, and then you have these three options: Chat Backup, Transfer Chats, or Chat History. The first option is to make a chat backup. It will create a backup of all of your chats, so when you sign on with another cell phone using the same number, it will automatically load all your backup chats. The second option is to transfer the chats. For this, you will need your phone and the new phone to be together so they can connect via Bluetooth. And the last method is to go to Chat History, then Export Chat, and click on the chat you want to export. And then you can send it to another phone. And those are the three ways to transfer chats from WhatsApp to another cell phone.